Hey folks, it's the 9th of December. Out here with the little birds. It's a pretty nice sunny day. Little birds are pretty fat and happy. Oh, we got a baby cat joining us. Let's see, what is the temperature today? Oh, it looks like it's about 39 degrees out here. It's got some nice sunshine. There's the boys next door. Need to get over there, give them a little bit of fresh bedding and freshen up their water. Looks like they destroyed one of their feeders too. I'll have to put it back together and refill it. But we're all doing good out here. And May actually took a piece of dandelion green from me a little bit ago. So she must be about to forgive me for tossing her back in the coop a month or so ago when she wandered outside. Haven't taken a head count yet. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, do I only see 14? Where's 15? Uh-oh. Am I missing somebody? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I only see 14. A little bit ago, one of the girls was up in the hutch. I'll have to look and see if she went back up there. Nope, okay, I got 15. We're all accounted for. Oh, we're gonna get some fresh water. I know that blue bowl looks a little silly. I call it the swimming pool during the summer. It doesn't actually warm the water so much. It's really cold. It just keeps it from freezing. So I don't have to be out here a couple times a day changing the water for them. Helps out quite a bit. And let's see, today we've got some dandelion and some dock. We've got some honeydew melon there that little boy's enjoying. And there's some apple. Freshened up the seeds. Got a lot of wild bird mix and some thistle. The thistle gives them a lot of protein that they need to keep warm in this cold weather. See, a couple of my birds look a little scruffy. Gonna get them some mealworms here in a little bit. Maybe that'll help with that. Not sure if Bart's still... Oh, yeah, Bart is still wearing his leg band. He's over there climbing into that blue